is the new hall. How do you
Yes, sir.
use this hall?
Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you, Pratika. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. நம்ப முடியல ஏன்டா சொல்ல மாட்டேன் ஓகே இது அட்மிஷன் நடக்கல இல்லடா அதான் ஃபேன்ஸ் எல்லாம் இல்லை பட் இன்னைக்கு we had our drive today அதனால we'll have a drive today okay line up please so anyway யார் presentation பண்ணீங்கனாலும் இந்த ஸ்டேஜ் ஏறி தான் இருப்பாங்க
Okay, sir.
so this is where you will stand I'll close the window and then we will start. No, Vrinda, no. Solid.
Sir, I told that in Shanti school they will drive, sir. Just like that.
அதே மாதிரி இருக்கா என்ன ஒரு தில் இருந்தா சாந்தி ஸ்கூல் கூட என்ன கம்பேர் பண்ணுவேன்
I didn't mean that like.
Okay. Right.
Sir, it is sticking.
That will stick. Sorry?
This one may do presentation first.
First, I have a plan.
Okay, sir.
என்னடா வேணும் என்ன பிரச்சனை என்னடா
Water, sir.
அதெல்லாம் வாஷ் பண்ணணும்ல yeah we have to wash இல்லடா வெடிச்சிருக்கு சரியா
Sir, very nice.
கொஞ்சம் தூரமா போயிடு
இல்ல சார் ரிட்டர்னோட கேமரா வந்து ரிட்டர்ன் மாதிரி வந்து
நீங்க அப்படியே அட கொஞ்சம் தூரமா போயிடு
ஏன்னா இல்லடா கலைஞரோட ஸ்கிரீன் பண்ணலாம்
இது போல கீழ இருந்தா நான் கண்டுபிடிச்சேன்
Thank you. Okay, வாங்க thank you. எனக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப்ல டாக்குமெண்ட்ஸ் அனுப்பு. இங்க சேர் இருக்கு பட் பத்தாது. Line up. We are praying. Stand up. No problem. Nothing. Sajal, figure out. First our prayer of evangelization in hall. Okay. A prayer lecture. To the parents, to the teacher, to myself, to God, and to the person who has built this institution. That whatever I learn in these sessions will be practiced immediately. I understand. And I realize that this training is not only for school and college life, but also for my entire life. The tools, techniques, therapies, and ideas I get from here will be utilized throughout my life. Mine is my right. I fight my fight. I can. Because I always believe I can. It's never sad. It's always a capital beginning. It's not over. Until I promise. Mitra, take one chair and இங்கிருந்து இறங்கும்போது செவத்து மேலே காமிக்காதீங்க நாளைக்கு ஒரு மேட் அங்கே போடுறேன் செவத்து மேலே மேட் போடுறதுக்கு மேட் மேலே காமிச்சிக்கோம் அப்படியே டேரக்டாக கொடுக்குறேன் ஏன்னா இதெல்லாம் ரெட் ஆக்சைடு ஆச்சுன்னா இது எதாக இருந்தாலும் எமோஷனல் பெயின் தான் காலை செலுச்சுன்னா தொடர்ச்சாலும் போகும் இதெல்லாம் வாஷ் பண்ணணும் அங்கேருந்து இறங்கணும்னா அந்த லைவ் பவுடர் இதெல்லாம் சரி important announcement for everybody. When you take chair, so what you are supposed to do is you take the chair and you keep it like this. Ukkaru நீ எந்திரிக்கும் போது in case you have to move the chair அப்படின்னா please lift it. So right. எப்படி இருந்தாலும் பெயின் போகத்தான் செய்யும் நம்ம எவ்வளோ பார்த்தோம்னாலும் சரி கொஞ்சம் லைஃப் அன்னைக்கு கொடுத்துக்கலாம். பெருசாக அது பார்க்க வர முடியாது. பட் புதுசாக போட்டுருக்கிறப்போ ஒரு அப்பியரன்ஸ்க்காக ஒரு 10 days அதுக்கப்புறம். ஸோ யாராக இருந்தாலும் ஷேர்ஸ் லிஃப்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இருக்கிறாங்க
இந்த சேனல் லாஸ்ட் டைம்
தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. அங்கே இது இருக்கு பாரு. 3 months வாரண்டி. ஓகே, டேக் ஈச் ஒன் ஷேர். இல்லை ஆளுக்கு ஒரு ஷேர் எடுத்து ஆளுக்கு ஒரு ஷேர் நான் சொல்ல வெயிட் பண்ணி சரி ஒரு மனசு அதை வாங்கிக்கணும். So here's the first person and second person. இப்படி ஒரு லைனுக்கு 5 ஷேர் அப்படி போட்டு அடுத்த லைன் பண்ணணும். So tomorrow will be full again. Light and fan எல்லாம் வந்துடும். நாளைக்கு காலை எலக்ட்ரிஷியன் வேலை வந்துடும். அது இங்கே ஒரு ஃபேன் ஒரு புதுசு ஒன்று போடுவேன். இங்கே ஒரு பெரிய ஃபேன் ஒன்று போடுவேன். அப்புறம் அங்கே என்ன ஒரு லைட் ஆகும். Alright, sit down please.
That's neat, sir.
So we will have the presentation for half an hour and then we are going down for our physical activity. Yesterday you did presentation, da? You forgot? Alright, okay. So Mitra, your presentation topic is going to be... So Mitra is going to do a presentation on the following topic, and the topic goes like this. When a person becomes a graduate after the college education, the person has got a lot of uncertainties about the future. Yes, the person can land in a job, the person can land in an occupation, but there will always be a kind of slight uncertainty whether this is good, this is bad. எல்லாத்துக்குமே அது இருக்கும் ஒரு question of uncertainty. ஒரு business ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம், அந்த பர்சனுக்கு அந்த ப்ரேயர் அப்போ அந்த அன்சர்டனிட்டி இருக்கும். ஒரு புது கம்பெனிக்குள்ள வேலைக்கு போகிறோம், அன்சர்டனிட்டி இருக்கும். ஒரு புது ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஆரம்பிக்கிறீங்க, அன்சர்டனிட்டி இருக்கும். ஸோ ஹவு டஸ் a person specifically who is going for a job will be handling the biggest uncertainty problem. That's your topic. And you have 3 minutes for you for finishing the presentation. 3. கிராஜுவேட்னா ஸ்கூலில் முடிச்சுட்டு காலேஜுக்கு போகிறோம்ல, காலேஜையும் 3 வருஷம் முடிச்சுட்டு அவங்க வெளியே வராங்கல்ல, பட்டதாரின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க தமிழ், பட்டம் முடிச்சுட்டு வராங்க, அவங்களுக்கு பேர் தான் கிராஜுவேட். ஓகே, ஸ்டார்ட்.
So all greetings from our presenter. I am very happy to make a presentation on this very important topic and on this very important occasion. So the topic is how a graduate can handle the uncertainty that he or she is going to face when he or she is going to enter into a job. So first I would like to start what may be the uncertainties be in that particular graduate. So if he or she is an engineering graduate, then that person might have uncertainty whether he will get a particular job that he is desiring for, and the job that was his ambition. And number two, once he gets the job, he may think that whether he would be able to get the appropriate profit that whether he or she does earn the profit that he or she has accumulated and have taught their childhood. All these are the uncertainties that a person would handle. Everywhere, whether it is a college life or after the post-college life or anywhere, any people must be exposed to this uncertainty of anything. It may be anything related to the circumstance or the situation that he or she is going to face. So in this situation, the college graduate's uncertainty is how he or she is going to get the job and how he or she is going to earn the profit that he or she has thought or imagined in their mind that they could get that particular one. So the solutions that we could give is, we should not expect more. So many people here or many people in the world have the highest expectancy power. So because they expect that why don't I get this, and I want this, I want that, and that's all related to the desires that he or she is desiring for. So if they want an object and they will have an expectation that, oh, it should be like that, oh, it should be that, and that expectation leads to disappointment sometimes. We can't say that everything will be perfect and every man is perfect. So anything may change out and we should not expect more. So if the person expects more for more profit, more money, and he or she is greedy, then that will turn out to be a bad circumstance in the future. He or she may face bad consequences. So that's the number one solution, that is we should not expect more. And also the second solution is, whenever you have completed your college life and you have become as a college graduate, always have a life expectancy. So you know how much potential and how much capable you are to face your future. So from childhood you must have heard from elders that your future will be like that and you must face these types of problems. They are experienced people and they must have shared some of the problems that they could have faced and how they face and how much confidence and how strong they were in solving that problem with a particular solution. So you must have had a lot of experience from their elders. So why don't you incorporate them into those? So before you are entering into a job, you always have in your mind that whatever problem you are going to face, you have to be very confident that you are going to solve that problem. Any solution it may be, if you are going to read through books or surfing through internet or getting help from anyone, you will have a solution. Whenever you are going to face a problem in the job, if you are not getting the job and if you are having some depression, you will definitely get a solution. Because whenever God makes us to suffer in a problem, He will definitely give a solution somewhere. The key of solution will be somewhere, and it's our potential and we have to use our smartness to search for that and our hard work to search for that. So we have to always be smart, and before starting or getting into an object, we have to be very strong that we are not going to get back from that object, whatever or however situations we are going to face. You must always be ready to be strong and should not lose your confidence at any circumstance, whatever it may be. Whether it's going to be a bad circumstance or someone is pulling you down, anything it may be. So this is the second solution. And the third solution is, if you are having those uncertainties and if you know that you are getting into depression, why don't you take some time and divert yourself? Divert means you can go into, you must have many hobbies in your mind. Like every person has a distinct and unique hobby. So in my case, I love reading books. I have a lot of books and I love reading books. And in some of the cases, you may like to cook. You might like to cook some food, or you might like to go and help your elders. Whatever hobby you have, if you are thinking that okay, I'm getting into this uncertainty and I'm getting depressed, at that point of time, you have to get into the hobby and you have to divert yourself for some time. And then automatically you will be really relaxed, and when you are relaxed, you won't be feeling this uncertainty as a big burden. And also there are many other solutions, like you can go and ask for help from elders, because elders are experienced people. They must have faced a lot of problems in the relationship or in the job and the career they are facing, their career life, and in many types of aspects of life they must have faced a lot of problems, and they will have some solutions made up in their mind. So you can ask for help from the elders. So these are the four solutions I would like to and hope you all enjoy the presentation. Thank you.
Udesh Vrinda is the next person.
All the best.
Good job, Mitra. Your point will be added based on your presentation. Very well.
Thank you.
I am eliminating the question session so as to continue more number of presentations.
Okay.
So the topic that is given for Udesh Vrinda is how does a person adapt to a situation when the person does not have a technical knowledge to adopt in that situation. I'll give you an example. Say for example, Kalpita finishes her mechanical engineering, Mitra finishes her computer science engineering. They both are going to separate companies. Kalpita goes for automobile company and Mitra goes to a computer oriented company where they both have to adapt to the situation. But although they have studied accordingly, some of the technological concepts that are used in their respective companies, they are not able to adopt. ஒரு விஷயம் தெரியாம வரக்கூடிய அந்த ஃபியர் வந்து ரொம்ப டேஞ்சரஸ் ஆனது. அது ஆளையே தீர்க்கும். அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபியர், அதாவது நம்ம வேலை செய்யணும்னு நினைக்கிற அந்த டொமைன்ல நம்மளுக்கு சரியான நாலேஜ் இல்லாத அந்த தருணத்துல ஒரு யங்ஸ்டர் எப்படி அந்த தருணத்தை மீண்டு வர முடியும்? To simplistically put it in English, in order to make it as a concise topic for Vrinda for her presentation, how can an youngster adopt the situation where the person does not have proper knowledge to fare well in the chosen occupation?
So one second, sir. I added a situation adopting point in my presentation.
Sorry?
Sir, I added the situation adopting point in my presentation.
No, we first listen to her presentation. 3, 2, 1, start.
So good evening everyone. So I am Linda. I am here to present a presentation topic about adaptation in a situation. So first I will start with adaptation. Adaptation in any situation, not only in after job or after, it's not only about knowledge, even it's about school or anything we are entering to a new world, we will think about it. So first I will start with kids, because when the first thing when the kids go to a school, it will cry and it will ask for a mom. But if we take a person who is entering to the college, sure for first time every person, first time if a person enter into a college, sure they will have a fear. But day by day it will be improved and they will adapt to the college and adapt to the school. So likewise, like even if we take us, first when we go to school we will cry. But now we are going, while going to school we are crying or not. So when we adapt, it's very important to adapt to a situation. As sir mentioned, if an youngster want to adapt to the situation or entering into a new job, that fear. So yes, everyone has faced fear. This kind of adaptation fear, we have to research about that. Even it might be not known for him, but he can learn, right? He can learn in upcoming days. He can fulfill his desires and he can fulfill what he wants, right? So every man is not perfect in everything and every man has not having every knowledge. They might have lacked in some skill. So to bring up that skill, if he don't know the skill or if he don't know the language, or if he even don't know the knowledge about what he is doing, sure he can learn about it and he has a situation where he can improve himself. Like he can have a self control of fear, and the fear of future also involves it. So if he didn't adapt to the situation, he will automatically think about the future, like how many people will make us, how many people will tell me fool, so they will tease me and they will tell like you don't know even this. So to avoid these kind of situations, what you learn you can take it and you can search more things. So developing skill. So if one person doesn't have drawing skill and he put simultaneously to draw, so what he will do? He will be seeking help from his friends and he will learn. So in that point of view, he will learn more things. So that time each person will learn more things when he was actually into a situation where he can't do it. So if a person tells he can't do anything, that is unavoidable thing. So everything is possible in this world. So even if when we write, first time when we write, we can't write completely and we can't, like even for taking a pencil we have fear. But day by day we will adapt to that whatever situation, adapt to write, and sometimes thought about my when I'm coming to MSc session, sir. So one time when I came here, that before, sir, like we have not started a group in WhatsApp. That time when I'm coming to alternative class, I was very doubtful. So I even don't know what's my WhatsApp team score, sir. So that time I was that time only I came to know we have to adapt it, sir. So one time I even told what's going on, I don't know. So but instead of telling don't know, I actually gathered some information with that only. So I actually compared with me and that scenario.
Fine. Any other points you would like to give us a conclusion?
Yes, sir. So my conclusion is try to control it. It's normally it's a fear. So control your fears and try to face it, and there is no problem without solutions. Try to take a step and look for yourself.
Good job. Very nice presentation by Brinda, and my points will be added. Brother, two presentations are very dynamic. Speaking without preparation is not easy. Both of you have done very well. So, Muhammad Anas, your next one. Questions? We will not be having questions this one. Do you have a presentation or something today? Just like a 3-minute presentation today? No? You're doing students. Means I know. They're pending. Okay. Just give it. I know that camera. Anas, so just like I gave a spontaneous topic to Mitra and Brinda, the spontaneous topic that I am giving to you is sometimes you see ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு கான்செப்ட் இத்தனை வீடியோஸ் ரெடி பண்ணி இத்தனை கிளாஸஸ் ரெடி பண்ணி என் மைண்டில் வந்து நீங்காத ஒரு விஷயம் செல்ஃப் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் பற்றி சரியான மெட்டீரியலே உணர்ந்து கிடையாது செல்ஃப் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸை பற்றி சரியான இல்லஸ்ட்ரேட்டிவ் கம்யூனிகேட்டிவ் டீச்சிங் மெட்டீரியல் உலகத்தில் இல்லை விவேகானந்தர் புக்கில் இருக்கிற ஒரே ஒரு செல்ஃப் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் மெட்டீரியல் பற்றி மட்டும்தான் நான் படித்தேன் நான் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா Yes, there are books, volumes and volumes of books about self-confidence. People speak about self-confidence, but the books are very ineffective. Even I had a book called as Confidence. Robert Young, one person, I gave it as a gift to one of my students. So confidence of being a title. But other than that, there's the answer to it. So wherever I explore, I am not getting proper theory about self-confidence. But I know how to teach self-confidence to my students. But the point is, சரியான review of literature இல்லை இந்த பாயிண்ட் பொறுத்தவரைக்கும். So, Anas, your topic is how a teenager can develop self-confidence. How a teenager can progress the self-confidence and progress his or her own life. இன்னைக்கு சொசைட்டி எப்படி மாறிடுச்சுன்னா ஒருத்தர் எந்த ஸ்கூலில் படிக்கிறான் அப்படிங்கிறத வச்சு அவனை பற்றி கணக்கு போடுவோம். இவன் பப்ளிக் ஸ்கூலில் படிக்கிறான், இவன் சிபிஎஸ்சியில் படிக்கிறான், இவன் சமச்சீர் சிலபஸில் படிச்சுட்டு இவன் ஐசிஎஸ்சியில் படிக்கிறான், இவன் ஸ்டேட் போர்ட் படிக்கிறேன், அவன் மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் படிக்கிறான். அதை வச்சு ஒரு குழந்தையுடைய இல்லை ஒரு யங்ஸ்டருடைய மைண்டை கணக்கு போடுவோம். விச் இஸ் அ வெரி ராங் திங். ஸோ அதனாலேயே நிறைய குழந்தைகளுக்கு செல்ஃப் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் டவுன் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஸோ இன் யோர் ஒப்பீனியன் ஆஸ் அன் 8th grade student, what is the best ways and means of developing self-confidence?
Good evening, friends.
So can I also add to respond
After he comes, it's sure.
Good evening, friends. Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me chance, sir. Sir, if we are comparing a person, sir, the compared person will be feeling very ignorant, sir, because in front of many people or some people, he will be become ashamed and he will be feeling very much, sir. Sir, self-confidence, sir. Sir, if all of them having self-confidence, sir, they can win in their life, sir. But it will be tough, sir. We should not think like I can't do like that, sir. We should always think positively, sir. That positive makes us to win, sir. Like I can do it. It's a tough task also. We should be a first man to do it, sir. Because we will be getting some appreciations and we will get a practice, sir. If we are starting a new company or new project, sir, we should not be feared, sir. And mainly we should not panic, sir. If any loss, we should not mainly panic, sir. That will make us very hurt and we will be not working properly, sir. It will create a negative negative charge, and we will be not able to work properly in the project or to develop the company, sir. Sir, while developing companies, sir, many members will be telling that you can't do, but we should not hear that and all, sir. We should hear it in one year and we should leave it in that another year, sir. That is the main, sir. Sir, the self-confidence, sir, the confidence, overconfidence is not good for us, sir. It will not make us win, sir. We will be telling that I will be winning. We should not tell to anyone, sir. We should, even in athletics, sir, we should not tell, there will be 8 tracks, sir. There will be good athletes for running, sir. We should not tell, you can see the I will win like that, and we should not speak, sir. We should see in the tracks, sir. That only makes us win, sir. If we are being overconfident, sir, they will be thinking that he is doing over. And even we lose that, sir, they will be teasing us, sir. You told that I will win. With the overconfidence, they will be telling and teasing, sir. Sir, overconfidence is not good for us.
That's it.
Yes.
Good job. Ritin and Aswathavan wanted to add something, please.
So, sir, if we take self-confidence, sir, to come over and then it's self-confidence, sir, first of all, we need happiness in ourselves, sir. So, for every presentation, sir, there will be one solution, sir. For, I would say it as a key point is being happy and making everyone happy is one kind of key point to every kind of presentation, sir. And to generate self-confidence, if you are generating by one living being, one person, sir, it will be not like just like a magic, sir. But if you are doing one or two more friends, sir, it will be like a campfire, sir. With many sticks, sir, it will be going like a.
It's right, a very big
Yes,
space.
sir. So I would say
So it's
being happy,
contagious, right?
sir. Be happy and make more friends, sir. It will be good to make self-confidence, sir.
Next point. Yeah, you wanted to add something.
Yes, sir.
So self-confidence, reading books for boosting self-confidence is a waste of time. Because self-confidence
Reading
comes-
books is a waste of time.
No, for self-confidence I'm saying, because self-confidence comes from
Wrong. You are absolutely wrong. What kind of attitude is this? How can reading books for gaining self-confidence could be a waste of time?
So I
Who
did
taught
not
you
say
this?
that,
No, you did say that. Rathan is going to
no,
summary.
I did not mention that way, sir. But how to do this, how to do that, how to gain self-confidence maybe a bit
So the Rig Veda and the Ashur Veda and the Veda encryption that was translated by Swami Vivekananda to preach self-confidence to the youngsters, are those a bunch of dust?
No, I did not mention like that, sir.
Then why do you say reading about self-confidence is waste of time?
No, I did not say that way, sir. I'm saying how to do this, how to do that, when we have we get mentally stressed. Because,
Vidyaksha, Ritika, Chandan. These 3 members are trying to know about self-confidence.
yes, sir.
They are in the fifth grade, like you. They are a little grown up. Self-confidence is very தெரிஞ்சுன்னு ஆசைப்படுறாங்க. And they don't have a proper person to teach. மணிக்கு எஸ்டிமேட் ட்ரெயின் எல்லாம் இல்லை அந்த என்வரான்மெண்ட். பட் லைப்ரரி புக்ஸ் நிறைய இருக்கு. ஸோ அப்போ நேச்சுரலி செல்ஃப்-கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் பற்றி தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு அவங்க புக்ஸில் போய் டேப்லாக்ஸ் எடுத்து பார்ப்பாங்க, ஜேர்னல்ஸ்
So,
எடுத்து
we
பார்ப்பாங்க.
know about the self-confidence.
How these 3 members will know?
We should not use.
Let me finish my question. How do these members will know if there is no person to teach self-confidence? Our parents will